if you're paying attention to what the current price of Bonk is trying to do, I think the current price of Bonk just tapped into this bearish order block right here. We just tapped into this clean bearish order block, and that's why we gave a rejection in the next 4-hour candle. The current price is seated at 0.000, that is 40172. We are left with 1 hour and 43 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now, the moment the Bonk price is able to successfully break above, invalidate this bearish order block, flip it into a support, then we should start expecting a higher price into this next zone around 0.401987. That zone is a very, very important level for the Bonk price the moment Bonk is flipping this zone into a support. Now, we are going to be talking about the BTC price, and also we are going to talk about the BTC dominance chart as well. By the way, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. If you're yet to like this video, give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, destroy the like button. Thank you. So let's proceed. We are going to talk about extensively on the BTC dominance, because you guys need to, this BTC dominance chart is one of the most important indicator to use as a confluence to know when the altcoin season is going to begin. We're going to be talking about the BTC price as well. So let's just head back to the Bonk price. Now, ignore the noise, like I said. Now, if Bonk is unable to break above to invalidate this bearish order block, then we should expect a rejection into this previous breaker block right here, the breaker block zone around 0.40158 and also 0.40154. So that zone is likely to be the retest zone for whatever rejection Bonk get rejected from here. So if you want to set your limit order either on spot or on the futures, you can set it at this breaker block, because we are definitely going to get a bounce from there to the upside. You get now another zone you guys should pay attention to, that is if the market sentiment flip bearish all of a sudden, then expect a quick dump to around 0.4014852 zone. That zone is also a crucial, important level. By the way, if you're entering at this breaker block zone around 0.40158, then your stop loss should, I think, slightly be around 0.40145. Yeah, I think that is safer. So that's that for that. And you can target this previous high as your take profit, or this zone, because if that rejection is happening, that is to say we are retracing to gather more momentum to like collect more fuel in order to break above and invalidate this bearish order block, which is going to send the price of Bonk higher to the upside. Considering the utility around this project, like everything is just massive. We also have another massive order block here around 0.4022875. So you guys should pay attention to these levels, because price is likely to react to these levels by the time they approach the level. Now let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. If you're paying attention, the BTC dominance is currently seated at 65.17%. We are left with 28 days and 14 hours until this current monthly candle closes. The monthly candle is still sitting very, very small, and is, I think, is indicating a bearish signal already. Now we need to see this monthly candle, this current monthly candle that is showing a bearish signal, drop massively into this zone. And the moment we are entering this zone, breaking below it, flipping the zone into a resistance, then expect further price drop for the BTC dominance. We need to see that to happen in order for altcoin season to begin. As long as the BTC dominance continues to increase in percentage, then altcoin season is going to be postponed. It's going to take a while to come. So for we to enter into a full-blown altcoin season, we need to see the BTC dominance start retracing aggressively. Historically, the month of May is usually the month BTC dominant bottoms, but this market cycle has proven to be exception, has proven to be different from the previous cryptocurrency market cycle. And it's as a result of the institutional adoption, government involvement, like mass adoption. So that was I think that is one of the major reasons the entire crypto space has like shifted, because it hasn't really followed the same pattern it has been following since its inception. Now, the dump for this BTC dominance is going to be diabolical and is going to be televised. I'm expecting a minus 39% dump on the BTC dominance. The last time we had a minus 4% dump on the BTC dominance, altcoin market rally, some coins were pumping 50% in a day. I think that was a few months ago. Just 4% drop on the BTC dominance. Now imagine what would then happen when we start dropping 10%, 20%, 30%, up to this 39%, which is usually the bottom area for the BTC dominance. That is when you can begin to see 200% gain on altcoins on a daily basis, because the altcoin market is going to be in a full-blown parabolic move to mass. There's no point selling now when the BTC dominant hasn't even like bottom or began her correction. I think what you should be doing now is to dollar cost average into your favorite altcoins with good utility, good hype, and solid team. The reason why I'm saying that is, as long as we are still above this resistance, we are currently above this, we have tapped into this order block, this entire area, the zone between 71% to 60% is an entire bearish order block. So we've now tapped into it, but there is still tendency that we might continue to like increase further to around this 71% before getting a massive retracement from there. So if that is happening, then your best bet should be dollar cost average into your favorite altcoins, because they are going to bleed and give you a more discount opportunity to buy into. Whatever I say is really my own opinion, by the way, and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. So if we should get to 71%, then the crash is going to be diabolical. And if the crash should begin from here, which is what I'm expecting and what I wish to get, the crash is still going to be diabolical. A lot of you are going to make life-changing gains. The gains you are going to begin to see, the profit you are going to begin to see in your portfolio will like amaze you. It will be unbelievable. Position yourself correctly now before this crash happens. I think the crash is almost nearing its peak. The pump for the BTC dominance is almost nearing its peak. And any moment from now, we should start expecting that crash. BTC just tapped into the $110,000 zone and is currently traded around around $109,969. We are left with 1 hour 46 minutes until this 4-hour candle closes. BTC successfully flipped the $108,000 zone into a support, and the moment that happened, we got an 8-hour moonshot candle to the upside. We are yet to take out the previous resistance, which was around $111,000 for the price of BTC. This was the previous resistance. So the moment we are able to take that resistance out, flip it into a support, then we should expect further price move to around 115K to 120K for the price of BTC. Now, let's go back to the BTC dominant real quick. Now, the moment you start seeing the BTC dominant retrace, let me give you like a cheat sheet now, a cheat code. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominant retrace or dip or dump massively to the downside, and you see the BTC price increasing, that is a sign that we are either in the early stage of the altcoin season or the altcoin season is about to begin. We need to see the BTC dominance dumping aggressively, and then BTC price pumping to the upside. Then altcoin is going to explode. But when you see the BTC dominance increasing and you see the BTC price increasing, altcoins are going to bleed. And if you see the BTC dominance dumping to the downside and you see BTC price consolidating or moving sideways, then altcoins are going to have a relief rally. So that's just that for that. So as always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely, position yourself before the massive dump on the BTC dominance begins. As always, if you haven't liked this video, please smash the like button. Drop what you think in the comment section of this video. Share this video with your friends and family. As always, peace out.